Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Barbie bookmark. It's really easy and you can download the printable for free. Let's get started. For this project, I'm using our Barbie printable, scissors, glue, clear tape, and some cute stickers. You probably already have most of these at home. I have a question for you. Do you use bookmarks or do you sometimes fold the page? I always use bookmarks because I want to keep my books looking nice. Tell me in the comments. Now I'm gluing the Barbie onto the bookmark. Before you press it down, make sure everything is lined up the way you want it. Next comes my favorite part, decorating. I'm adding stickers and little details to make my bookmark extra cute. You can decorate yours however you like and make it unique. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next DIY. Mom, not now.
But Mr. Chicken wanted to say, hi, but
Can I finish my craft? Mom, seriously? Do I look like a bird? Not bird food. Mom, what are you doing? Mom! No! Mom, I'm trying to make a bookmark. Can you please let me finish? Why the sock? Crafting level, impossible. Be honest, should my mom stop distracting me, or should she keep doing it because it's funny? Tell us in the comments. Also, which bookmark should I make next? Maybe a princess, a mermaid, a fairy, or another Barbie? I'd love to hear your ideas. And it's finished! I love how it turned out. Here's how it looks inside my favorite notebook. It's so cute, colorful, and really easy to make. It also works perfectly in books, journals, planners, or sketchbooks. If you'd like to make one too, don't forget to download the free printable PDF below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!